Hello, so today we got a bike check. Alright, this is a Kink 2010 gap frame. Let's get into it. Alright, so Seatpost is a focus Seatpost clamp. Kink 2010 gap frame with some custom stickers. Colors green, forks, King Volt 100% chromoly steel tube. The headset, mission integrated headset, bars, Kink 7.75 midtown bars. Kink Alpha grips with the Kink end caps. The stem is a Mission Fusion stem. Seat is a Kink Eclipse pivotal seat. Seatpost, the Mission Pivotal Seatpost pedals. Just got those plastic Mission pedals. Cranks, I actually brought them out to the original color. So 3-piece tubular chromoly crank with a Mission seal mid bobbin, but that's falling apart, so I need to get a new one of those. Sprocket. Let me flip the bike. Alright, so the whole sprocket is a Kink 25T decimal sprocket. Some brakes are they're a Diatech brake setup. The front hub is a Mission 36H alloys 3 and Ace axle. Rear hub is a Mission React cassette with 9T driver. I'll let you hear those in a second. The rims are plain black allienation rims, and the bike weighs roughly 25 pounds, I'd have to say. Good 25 pounds. Alright, so I'll show you here the bike. Forgot to mention the front tire is a Kendra contact tire, and the rear tire is an Odyssey Flight 20 by 1.9. The front is a 20 by 1.95. Yeah. Got some front stickers. Got the van sticker on the bars. Got a King sticker in the front. King bike code. Got one on the forks. I don't even know what kind of chain that is, to be honest. This is the regular spray painted chain. The kink right on the back, the frame. Yeah, that's my bike chat. See ya.